Some Metro Nashville school parents had to pull their kids out of school because of COVID. In 2 weeks, more than 3,000 kids were forced to quarantine. Now parents are concerned for their children. Our Danielle Jackson has the story.
The parents I talked to today tell me they are very concerned about the number of COVID-19 cases within the school system. Each day they send their kids off to school, they say it's a major health risk.
I feel that we should stop, go back to virtual.
But that's not an option for Metro Nashville parent Sean Bradley or any parent in Metro schools. She's upset with the lack of communication from her child's middle school after hearing she came in contact with someone who tested positive for COVID-19.
If the day was the 19th, they just told me Monday that my child was exposed. That's a whole weekend. And then I have little kids at home. I have me at home. I have my sister at home. We have all these things. Then you're going to tell a quarantine Monday? You should have told me the day of so I can quarantine the whole house.
Other parents we spoke with agree there's a lack of transparency about COVID-19 exposures.
With the numbers that are spiking inside the school, my kids are around kids with COVID every day, and the schools are not sending out messages or nothing telling the parents.
According to the district's data report, since the start of the school, more than 3,000 students and staff are quarantining or isolating. And in just the first full week of the new school year, 395 students and 67 staff members confirmed positive for COVID-19. In a statement, MNPS tells News 4 when a student makes close contact with someone who tests positive, they're giving a notification letter on how to self-isolate and when they could return. The district also says they instruct parents and students on how they can still do their assignments and be counted as present from home. But with the case numbers rising and the Delta variant not slowing down, these parents believe the safest option is just to bring virtual learning back.
My baby is asthmatic, and I don't want to have to see her in ICU.
I'm praying that you stop this and go back virtual and let these kids get a learning, not in a hospital bed, not in a grade. Let them be a chance to grow up. Send them back home. Shut the schools down till we clear it up.
Now the Commissioner of Education and the Governor will not accept remote learning options. The only exception is for MNPS virtual schools that are already in place. In Nashville, I'm Danielle Jackson, News 4 Nashville.